hook ChatGPT is losing. Right now, there are 5 free open-source AI models that match or beat GPT-4 on real benchmarks, and most people have never heard of them. If you're still paying $20 a month for ChatGPT Plus, you're about to save $240 a year. INTRO. Before we get into it, hit that subscribe button in the corner right now. It's free, takes 1 second, and you'll never miss a video. Do it! Here's a polarizing question: is closed-source AI already obsolete? A year ago the answer was obvious: OpenAI was miles ahead. But the open-source community has caught up so fast that the gap has basically vanished. And in some categories, open-source models are actually better. Let me prove it to you. Here are 5 open-source AI models crushing the paid competition in 2026. Llama 4. Meta's 400 billion parameter beast. Meta released Llama 4 in April 2026 and it changed the game. 400 billion parameters, completely free, runs on your own hardware. On the MMLU benchmark, that's the test measuring knowledge across 57 subjects, Llama 4 scored 89.7. GPT-4 scored 86.4. Llama 4 is literally smarter by the numbers, and it costs $0. But the real advantage isn't just the benchmark score. It's privacy. When you run Llama 4 locally, your data never leaves your machine. No one is training on your conversations. No one is reading your code. For businesses handling sensitive data, healthcare records, legal documents, proprietary source code, this alone makes open source the only viable choice. You cannot send patient data to OpenAI servers. You can run Llama 4 in your own data center and stay HIPAA compliant. Mistral Large 2. The European powerhouse French startup Mistral dropped Large 2 in May 2026 and it's terrifyingly good at reasoning. On the math benchmark, 500 competition-level math problems, Mistral Large 2 scored 92%. GPT-4 scored 81%. That's an 11-point gap. But here's what really matters for you: Mistral Large 2 excels at code generation and logical reasoning. Developers are switching to it for debugging complex systems where GPT-4 hallucinates too often. It's free, it's faster on inference, and it runs on a single high-end GPU. You can deploy it on an H100 and get production-grade code generation for the cost of electricity. The days of paying for GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT for coding are numbered. If you're getting value from this, smash that subscribe button right now. YouTube shows my next video to subscribers first. Don't miss tomorrow's breakdown. DeepSeek V4. The Chinese open-source juggernaut DeepSeek released V4 in June 2026 and the AI world collectively gasped. It uses a mixture of experts architecture, meaning it only activates the parts of the model it needs for each query, making it incredibly efficient. On Human Eval, the coding benchmark, DeepSeek V4 scored 94.3%. GPT-4 scored 88.1. The kicker? DeepSeek V4 is completely open: weights, architecture, training methodology, everything. You can download it, modify it, fine-tune it for your specific use case. Need it to write legal contracts? Fine-tune it on your firm's templates. Need it to generate marketing copy in your brand voice? Train it on your past campaigns. Try doing that with ChatGPT. You can't. OpenAI's models are black boxes, and that's the fundamental weakness of closed-source AI. You can never truly own the model. QWEN3. Alibaba's sleeper hit Alibaba's Qwen 3 flew under the radar when it launched in early 2026, but it's quietly become one of the most downloaded models on Hugging Face. It scored 91% on the GSM 8K math reasoning benchmark, beating Claude 3.5 and matching GPT-4. but its real strength is multilingual performance. Qwen 3 handles over 100 languages natively, while GPT-4 struggles past 50. For anyone creating content in multiple languages or running a global business, Qwen 3 is the obvious choice. And it's Apache 2.0 licensed, meaning you can use it commercially without paying a cent. Commander Plus, Cohere's Enterprise Killer. Cohere's Commander Plus is built specifically for retrieval augmented generation. That's AI that can search through your documents and give accurate, cited answers. On enterprise RAG benchmarks, Commander Plus scored 87.5 to GPT-4's 79.2. It hallucinates less, cites better, and handles 100,000 token documents without breaking a sweat. For knowledge workers, lawyers, researchers, analysts, this is the model that actually works in production. And it's free. Cohere makes money on enterprise hosting, not model access. OUTRO. So here's the reality: 5 free models, each beating GPT-4 in at least one critical category. Llama 4 for general intelligence and privacy. Mistral Large 2 for math and code. DeepSeek V4 for coding efficiency and custom fine-tuning. Qwen 3 for multilingual work. Command R Plus for document analysis. Not one of them costs a dime. Not one of them sends your data to a corporate server. The question isn't whether open source will win, it's whether closed source AI companies can survive when their free competitors are literally better. What do you think? Is this the end of paid AI subscriptions? Drop your take in the comments, I read every single one. Subscribe now, because tomorrow I'm covering the hidden energy cost of AI that tech companies don't want you to see. The subscribe button is right there in the corner, tap it. YouTube's about to recommend another video, watch one more before you go. See you tomorrow.